Hello friends, today we will discuss PN3, Press Note 3. As we know, not all foreign investment is welcome, especially when it comes quietly through the back door. So Press Note 3 2020 is a policy introduced by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade under the Government of India to regulate foreign direct investment, that is FDI. What is it? Press Note 3 or PN3? Press Note 3 was issued in April 2020 to tighten FDI rules for countries that share a land border with India. Any investment from countries sharing a land border with India now requires government approval. These countries are China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan, Afghanistan. Why was it introduced? During COVID-19 pandemic, Indian companies' valuations were falling. There was a fear that foreign companies, especially from China, might buy Indian firms cheaply, take control of strategic sectors. This is called opportunistic takeover. What changed? Before Press Note 3, many investments were allowed through the automatic route. No approval needed in automatic route. After Press Note 3, mandatory government approval route for new investments. PN3 introduced mandatory government approval route, transfer of ownership if beneficial ownership lies in restricted countries. Its impact on economy is positive. It protects Indian companies, safeguards national security, prevents hostile takeovers. But some negative aspects also there. It slows down the FDI inflow, increased bureaucracy, may affect investor confidence. So we can understand with an example. Suppose a Chinese company wants to invest in Indian startup. Earlier, direct investment was allowed through automatic route. Now they must take approval from the Indian government first. So Press Note 3 is a protective economic policy aimed at balancing foreign investment, national security. In exams of NET, IGNOU, you should remember the year 2020 for PN3. Focus is on FDI restriction, trigger COVID-19 plus Chinese investment. So that's all. It is important.